You started RVing so that you could visit epic places like this, not waste tons of money paying for your RV to sit in a repair shop. And we feel the same way. And here's something RV repair shops and dealers don't want you to know. You could be saving thousands of dollars with DIY repairs and upgrades. And it doesn't have to be hard. All you need are the right supplies and a little bit of guidance. That's where etrailer.com comes in. They don't just sell products, they personally test every single one so that you get real, honest advice and the expertise to know what you actually need.
We just saved over $8,000 fixing our RV roof with eTrailer's help, and you can too. Whether you're installing new brakes, installing a new tow setup, or taking on a bigger project, eTrailer's got you covered.
Honestly, I am so impressed with how far the team of enthusiasts at eTrailer will go to make sure that we get the right parts and the right advice. It's so refreshing to be able to talk to a real person who actually enjoys helping people. But listen, don't waste what could be another awesome trip waiting on expensive repairs. Head to etrailer.com to get the trusted personal guidance you need for your next DIY RV project.